So let's quickly test the second option first, because you would have seen the keyboard. This is a normal classic option that we used to do, but these two options are new. So let's start with the use hand option. Once you click on the use hand option, a new window appears, and it gives you the basic gestures that you want to use, and the text box in front of them represents the corresponding value that you want to send to the serial port to your microcontroller. So for swipe left, I am writing the value as A. For swipe right, I am writing the value as B, and swipe up as C, and swipe down as D, and for hand wave as E, and for hand circle as F, and pose piece as G, and pose big 5 as H. So you can specify the values that you want to send to your controller corresponding to the gesture that you do. So once you have set the values that you want to send to the serial port corresponding to the gestures, you can click on launch to launch your gesture application. Okay, see, now the gesture application has been launched, and my Intel Perceptual Computing was creative interactive 3D gesture camera has been turned on, and from this camera you can see the screen. Now I need to perform the gesture actions in the front of the camera, and it will reflect in my microcontroller. I hope if you can see, yeah, this is my microcontroller that I am using, and I will glow different LEDs on it using various gestures, and the various gestures will be represented will reflect in this white box. The gesture which I'll do will come in this white box. So you can see my microcontroller. This is an 8051 microcontroller, and I have programmed it like this, that if it will receive A, then it will glow first LED, and if it will receive B, then it will glow the second one, and so on. So it depends on the value sent from the serial port to the laptop to this microcontroller. Okay, now let me perform gestures in front of the camera. So I'm performing first I'm performing right swipe right. Oh, yeah, see, it has recognized the swipe right action, and it has sent the value to the microcontroller, and here the second LED has glown. Now let me do swipe left. Yeah, see, it has recognized swipe left action. Pose big 5 and pose piece. My values, the LEDs are blinking according to the gestures which I am doing. So it's providing an easy interface to the robot developers so that they can use this application, this Java based application, to control their embedded device in this way, using their gestures and using simple gestures. These are simple gestures that they will use. This is hand wave action, and swipe down, swipe right, swipe left, pose piece, big 5. Yeah, in this way you can do, and according to these actions, LEDs are being reflected in this my microcontroller. You can see it right at the bottom here. So LEDs are being reflected in my 8051 microcontroller according to the values that I am sending it. Okay, so this is the way how you can control your device using your gestures. Now I will tell you the another way by which you can use you can control your embedded device using voice commands.